students, good morning students. We have discussed about the reproduction in animals, and in the previous topic we discussed about the reproduction in means the reproductive parts of the male and female. In today's video we will discuss about after what happens after fertilization. So takes place that the fusion of male and female gamete takes place to form the zygote. So a zygote is a eukaryotic cell formed by fertilization even between two gametes. The zygote genome is combination of DNA in each gamete and contain all of the genetic information necessary to form a new individual. Zygote begin as a single cell. So when the zygote is formed, it is a single cell. Only the two genetic materials from the different parents combine together and form the full number of chromosomes. So it starts dividing rapidly in the days following fertilization. After this 2-week period of the cell division, the zygote eventually become an embryo, that is a ball of cells. If it goes well, the embryo become a fetus. Normally, thousands of sperms attempt to penetrate the single egg cell to form the zygote, but it is not happening like that. If the one sperm has entered inside the egg cell, then it do not allow the other sperms to enter inside. Once a single sperm has broken through the outer surface, the chemical changes in the surface of the egg prevent other sperms from entering. Zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to a ball of cells. Cells then begin to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. So the group of cells will be formed and which will only form a specialized tissue or the organs of the body. This developing as embryo. Embryo get embedded in the wall of the uterus for further development, and this process is called implantation. The embryo continues to develop in the uterus. So what happens through the implantation process, when it gets attached to the uterus, then a structure is formed between the wall of the on the wall of the uterus and the fetus, that is called placenta. So this placenta supply all the nutrition needed by the fetus for the development from the mother's body and the waste material outside the fetus body. So exchange of substances takes place through the placenta, which is a disc like structure present in between the fetus and the uterus. It gradually develops the body part such as hand, and this position or this at this stage it is called fetus. In this stage of embryo, in which all the body parts can be identified, is called fetus. When the development of fetus is complete, the mother gives birth to the baby and this process is called parturition. After that, the baby remains in the mother's body. That means from the day of the fertilization till birth, the time period is termed as gestation period, which is approx 270 days or 9 months. So student, let it be this much for today. Rest of the thing we will discuss in the next class.